Hey everyone, John Douthit here, Director of Operations at Icelantic Skis, and we're here at Never Summer Industries where all of our skis are made. Let's take a look. There's three main phases to building a ski. We have pre-production, production, and post-production. We're here in the wood shop, the first part of pre-production. Here you'll see all of our wood cores, our sidewall materials, and how they get made. All skis start as a core block right here. Each one of these is going to get cut by one of our ski jigs over here, get sidewall material plastered onto it, cut right here, and then cut down over here on our baker machine. Here's what a ski block looks like before it comes a few pairs of skis. Right here we have our AEM machines. This is where we'll take those wood cores we just made, we're going to sand them down over here, and we're going to taper them down over here to make sure the ski can actually flex, and it's not just a 2x4. Now this is what the inside of your ski looks like when we talk about the core of your ski. So right here is our new tip fill construction. Pablo cuts all those out, tapes all those on to make sure they're ready for the production phase. Here's base material, baby. We've got lots of different colors with lots of different skis and several different materials too, depending on the performance or durability we want. And this is what a base looks like when it comes out fully finished, ready to go. Next thing we got to do is add edges. Let's take a look. Now here we have the edge bender. All of our edges are bent, cold bent in-house right here. We have a program for every single one of the sizes and models we have. We're going to run it right through there and it's going to bend it for whatever skis we're pressing that day. Danny over here is making sure that all of these edges get properly bent and glued onto the base so it's ready to go in the press. These here are cassettes. Each model and length has its own 4 cassettes. Because when we're producing, we need to use all 4 of these cassettes. Each one of these are CNC'd here in-house to whatever shape and model we need and are held here until we determine we're no longer making that model anymore. Now, we're in the production phase, also known as layup. This is where we take all the ingredients we just saw and make them do a sandwich, and cook the sandwich. Luis here has been making our skis for longer than we've even been in business. Been here for like 25 years. All the core ingredients you just saw come out of there are all in here. We have base material. We have 3 different layers of fiberglass. We have rubber that goes in between each layer. Some of our skis have carbon. You're going to see the wood cores, whether it's poplar, whether it's birch, whether it's balsa, are all going to go on these skis. The sidewall materials, that's all going to go sandwiched together, cooked for 16.5 or so minutes at different temperatures depending on the ski, pulled out, and then goes into finishing. The skis come out in that sloppy mess. First thing we got to do is cut them out. So we're going to take them right here to this bandsaw. The edge is going to act as its own jig. So it's going to run it through and get all of that excess material off. So right here, he's just going to sand off the top sheet, give it a little bit of a bevel so that the top sheet doesn't like chip away. Over here where we're going to do the base edge and base. And they're going to take it through several sand belts in 80 grit to 120 grit and refine it, get ready for stone grind so we can get a skiable product. So we do a hand grind right here to make sure we have a nice clean base to work with before the stone grind. Right here, we're going to go through the ceramic edger. So this is going to make sure we have the exact edge angle we want on a ski. Skis are not actually at a 90-degree angle. This will have a 1-degree side edge angle and a 1-degree base edge angle. Alright, so at this point, we almost have a finished ski product. But we want to make sure it has wax on it so you can go downhill effectively. So we're going to get wax right here and then buff it out right there before it goes into quality control. Every ski has a very specific mount point for each model and length. Right here, we're going to engrave those in so you know where to mount your skis. Thanks, sir. Appreciate everything there. Good man. And that's the finished product right there. We're going to take them to get shrink wrapped. And we'll start sending them out to our distributors. So here we have Nomad 94 finished product. It's going to go into these racks right here. Joey's going to get them put onto a pallet, and it's going to go to our warehouse for distribution to you.